Hey bees, welcome to Harvest Festival 64. I don't know much about it, but I think it's kind of like an Animal Crossing horror game, possibly. Sorry I'm talking like this, I'm just grooving. You can't see me right now, but I'm definitely jamming to this music. It's really jazzy. Let's just get into this Harvest Festival. Oh, hello. You must be new here, Don't you worry. You will feel like at home in no time. Okay. You don't have a place to stay yet? You can stay at this house right here for now. The previous owner just moved out. What a wonderful coincidence. Yeah, a wonderful coincidence indeed. And you're even more lucky. It's just 4 more days until our big event. Our Harvest Festival. This Friday. What a joy. We still have a few things left to do for that. Of course, we could use some help. Come back tomorrow. See if either one of us needs anything. Thank you so much and welcome to our town. Oh, so nice that they coincidentally had a house for me. Monday. I'm so cute. Ah, look at me. You know... Oh, can I collect these? No. This is so cute. It's got the little pumpkins too. I love that. You know, I remember the original Animal Crossing. I haven't been able to play the new one yet. I played the pocket one, so fun. But the original Animal Crossing, I don't know if you guys remember. The villagers were mean. Oh, hello. I'm preparing some pumpkin pies for the Harvest Festival. But I need some more pumpkins. Would you be so kind and bring me some? Thank you so much. Oh, well, thank goodness you have a bunch of pumpkins lying around. Oh, that is so good. It's even like the original. How to pick it up. I like how we're all cats, you know, for copyright reasons. Oh, hey, girl. I got your pumpkins. Thank you so much. Now I can make some delicious pies for the Harvest Festival. Don't forget to try them this Friday. Monday. Oh, Tuesday. I didn't even get to talk to the other girl. I thought I saw something up here. I don't know. Maybe she's still there. She is. What you smiling about? Hey, Greenhorn. I'm still busy repairing this bridge. But I'm sure I will be done by tomorrow. In the meanwhile, I want to build a big bonfire for the Harvest Festival. Could you grab me some wooden planks for that? Thanks. I don't know why I gave her that voice. I just felt like, you know, I felt like she needed that. She's a husky woman. This is interesting. You know, I'm kind of getting the feeling that in the Harvest Festival, I'm gonna get sacrificed. It's just a vibe. Where's the other one? Missing one. I'm missing a plank. There's a plank missing. Oh, there it is by my house. I got your planks home, girl. Hey, Greenhorn. That's all I need for now. Thanks. Pretty sure the bridge will be prepared. Pretty sure the bridge will be repaired by tomorrow. See you at the Harvest Festival. Anything going on? I bet you I'm about to collect these mushrooms here in a second. I can't jump over. Hello, anybody here? It's a lot of mushrooms. Oh! You're here. You're green. Hey, yo! I know that I should do some stuff for the Harvest Festival. But I'm so tired, you know. I'll start tomorrow. Hey-o! I know I should do some. I already talked to you. Okay. I don't know why you... Do you want me to keep talking to you? Is there anybody else to talk to? She's gonna start tomorrow. I could go down here. Hey, what you gotta say? Hello, you. Have you seen any of these shiny stones? I love how shiny they are. Can you help me find some more? They're just what I need for the Harvest Festival. Thank you. Okay, I have seen some. Now, nothing too out of the ordinary so far. It's just like Animal Crossing. A bunch of villagers that ask you to do jump that they could literally do. I like how she said, oh yeah, can you help me grab them? As she stands there. I thought something was gonna happen. I literally just walked in the water. Okay. I got all her stones now. Aww. They are so shiny. Thank you so much. Hope to see you on Friday, friend. Okay, we're gonna go to the green cat now. She said she was gonna do something today. So tired today. Would you mind getting me some more of the mushrooms, yo? I only need like 10 more or something. And I really need them today. Because the Harvest Festival is happening tomorrow, you know? Thanks, it. You've had like all this week to grab this and you want to wait the last moment? Just like a procrastinator. I don't think there's anywhere on this side. Got me doing all this work. I need 3 more. Okay, hold on. Was there some down on the ground with the other lady with her stones? There had to be. Oh, wait, there's one right here I missed. Yeah, I see some. Oh, there's one right there. Here we go. Parkour. Anything else over here? Nope. Oh, I can't go over that. Okay. Here we go. I got your shrooms. Yo. Thanks, Ed. That was some good work right there. Now I got everything I need. Yeah, tomorrow at the Harvest Festival. You know, you had all the time in the world to do that yesterday, but whatever. Uh-oh. Oh no, Sweet Pea. It's the Harvest Festival, and it's very dark. Woo! Oh! Oh! Who are you burning? Amanita mascara. It's a dumb. Oh my. I ate them all. Oh my. Well, you didn't eat her back there. She looks pretty traumatized by what you did. Oh! Where are you going? Where are you going? Shh. No. Oh. Happy. So happy. Okay, you're so happy. Pie lady, help me to sew my belly but together after we put all the shiny stones in there. No, oh, no. No, you can what? No, I can't. Oh, you can't. You can't walk? No, I can't wait. Oh, you can't wait. To go to the Harvest Festival? To go swimming. Oh, girl, you're gonna sink. Maybe you were not gonna swim. Oh, where you going? Come back here. Don't do that. You will sink. Baby, you were going to sink. Can I talk to you? Probably not. Oh no. Where's the bridge? Hello? This music's so happy and ominous. Hello, anybody here? Where's the girl who went to go swim? Hello? What if I go in the water? Oh, I'm really going deep. I'm deep in this water. Nothing happened. What do I do? Maybe I'm supposed to go home or so. Oh no! What happened to you? Oh no! Don't look like that. I didn't do it. Uh-oh. She's so mad at me. I didn't do it. Don't look at me. Stop that. Stop all of that. Stop it. Move. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, it looks like it was my time to go. Oh! And it just closes. Well, okay. I think that was the end of that game then. That was Harvest Festival 64. You know, an Animal Crossing spooky game. That was actually kind of good. I mean, nothing spooky really happened until the end there. But yeah, I kind of figured we were all gonna get sacrificed probably. Wasn't expecting them to just fly away. But you know, I like a good twist. Well, if you like it, like it. If you dislike, dislike. Comment, share, subscribe. You know, do all that fun things. So why? Because I'm amazing and you're amazing. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.